So, you watched many videos trying to get unlimited SuperGrok AI for free, but it didn't work? Don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how you can get SuperGrok AI unlimited times completely for free. First, let me show you proof that SuperGrok is working. This is a premium account, and you can see available credits. Let's try generating an image to video. As you can see, there is a 10-second option and a 720p option, which means it's working.
Hi kids, I'm your friendly toothbrush.
Great! It's working perfectly. Now follow my steps to get SuperGrok AI for free unlimited times. First, connect to a VPN. I use the free version of Proton VPN, so I recommend using that. Make sure you connect to a Japan server. If it doesn't connect to Japan the first time, keep changing servers until you get Japan. Next, open Chrome, go to Settings, search for cookies, and clear all data. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Now follow my steps carefully and don't skip the video. Awesome! Now we have SuperGrok for free, and you can repeat this process unlimited times. If you get any errors, comment SuperGrok. Also, follow my Telegram channel in the description to get updates